Come on, Chloe. We have kittens to save in Mecca.
We saw a post on Facebook. Someone asking for help with their 89-year-old grandmother's 65 cats. Not one spayed or neutered. It was 115 degrees when we showed up. Luckily, we brought a big bag of cat food. They had just run out. The problem is more out of control than we thought. We counted 60 cats, but knew there were more, plus one deceased mom cat. We brought the kittens home with us. Then we saw the 60 goats, the 2 horses, the big pig, and 3 dogs. We have a lot of work to do. Please help. Please share and follow for updates.
Oh, yeah, that needs to be cleaned up, but...
My dad in the evening. Oh, horses poop so much. What?